Tubor ka Batesi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong ringkat bat ka net footage ordar mapi minwan ra mangi hakrdob ying jongpi
gane kamde shu pasien ko manang kong ba nakaliang ju Sengbhalang nila angot baka IT kam po jala ju aswa bang kren ya kai bang hiru da singen pendemaw khat ndai trip pura khat ndai do phungot kinong tho an sukar jala na pas la solution official solution kata de ini ko pas te ko siat madan madia ande de takino tho an do pa ba jala Kaporoban ko Jingibeiñ LC pin nanti banyo de bit kamblia lo kale ka Andrei pila step bi kai wajia to Jingibeiñ LC mata ka siru man batai Shah kalong ba nakaliang menteri kampoyeng sokaran dia la susap dia ke bangi batai ka jingkwa jongi ku Sengbhalang bat jong ka jala ko lo ka LP Andrei kamdon kanu ka jing Kular bat kamdon kanu ka komitmen bai dei ka LP issue bat ngakren da ba Shah ba kane ka dei ka big insol dia kita meluk jong ka Jaidbynriew bat jong ka jala ko namar lada cisnam tam lepas kita ka resolution Semala ban ayo tang siketian pantangnya ka ai ganung rem ne ka stand jong Indian government holor ka ILP issue tang kata mala ban juga sap te ko pen kenir kum le kamlong iba wat jakin rupungot semla kensna na kaliang jungi kum Sengbhalang ngisa song ban pakhat mising e benya ngisotho kadan kene pandemic kumta hanrai virus bal kejap ya ka Jaidbynriew ba jala bra koi ngihap ban wat lagu jong doi nang ne sama
kita like this is the third time that we have been meeting the Home Minister. First meeting kadai for Delhi, second meeting Shillong, and this is the third meeting. Agani the third meeting in I expect ba he will assure us something. Nagaliang jong Home Minister. Te kapag hamsong si issue ko nang ba la assure ni ba kata ka meeting ko begini kuno at least minyo ikapur kumba 20 to 25 minutes. Andai menang asyik akran tangwe. But dalam imut ban keren biang tiang da kaju isu minam yo si banyak keren banyak debate. Oh, that's fine. And then we expect something from the Home Minister on this. And I hadu maneru ka meeting we are not satisfied and we are not happy. But we ingin pek kai karai ka ba kin pentep lingba kata kaji keren pat CM jungi ya kasi jungi. And then to be frankly, I mean we are not happy at all. We are not satisfied with this meeting.
Can you tell us what exactly is said, communicated?
no
No from the
no comments from the
No discussion. The thing is like this.
he has not assured us anything also.
The thing is very plain and simple. That he allow us to make a submission. No doubt. We starting to make a submission on ILP, and when only 2 members are able to speak, he directly say that let's talk. If there is any other issue, then let's talk other issue. But Sadon raised the relevant issue of borders, and Tengzak Moming has raised the issue of languages in there, which is a very relevant issue, no doubt. But the main agenda, which is ILP, he did not give any assurance, he doesn't give any commitment, and in fact, he doesn't even say a word. He doesn't even tell us why there is a delay. He does not even explain to us the stand of the Indian government on this issue. So this is not acceptable. We are very disappointed. This has led the moral of the indigenous people into the state down once again. And actually we expect better, even after waiting for almost 2 years. Actually we expect better than this, but nevertheless such a thing did not happen. And as Balam said, that we are not happy. This is a big insult to the indigenous people of the state as a whole, and we can't allow that this kind of situation happening again and again in our own state.
What is the next course of action?
Kani kejungon Amit Shah kani ka jala jungi ya kani kanti umenta nak dia jungi Sengbhalang yi ba kani tang jungon kai jungu sora kamdadon gunu ka benta ka ba udawan ban simkhia Shah ya ka isu ka ba kum Sengbhalang kum sarkar kum Jaidbynriew ni kwa ya kata ka penterikan ka ILP maksudnya rung hapo ngila sutu ya kata ba ni persang banyak kera ya kata jinton kami ka ILP hindrai ka ba penlengok kalong nakaliang siam ru intervene bala keren wei labiang nakaliang Home Minister ru intervene bala keren wei labiang la sutu Henry KLP kamkut ang jingkaran Kawei kumpi nong dalam Sengbhalang midon sibun ki poin bani pani ya ka ba new home minister kum ailat ing bani te langsung ada fidan wi isu bila bani kran te ngilah ya kran ka border isu nilai kran ki schedule but kabami ila sinto jong chief minister ni kalong ba the home minister will examine this matter Henry kaba pelapa kalong nakaliam home minister si continue kami ayu le alor kini isu ibang nilai kran ke kemud kani ke jingwan tama mecia kani kenting pemerintah wal hadin kula penap ingi katu kani benai ka jingwan dulu ko bakado kalong lenoi ni smo ba kalong lenoi but kam sempoi kalau nu ke discussion ka ba kabantai ya kalawei jong gejala
tiki pat kita gilat kilenti do pension nang ni mat
ya kata kumki Sengbhalang mindang habi kendo min ya song ada meeting min saya rai lang pan ki gilat kilenti pension nama ngila itu balada kadang jing bam syashko sa manta te kamut nimman se ban ya syakmat ki pat ki ba min saya rai lang kumki Sengbhalang.
Regarding the meeting, we were very disappointed. It happened the first time also. The first time we met him, he simply denied to discuss on the issue. Even this time also, he heard us. He said that he will look into the matter, but that is the only important word he said today. So we wanted to talk about the importance of ILP from the Baroh Hills side also. Because right now you see, in Baroh Hills, in a place called Wadagokre, near Jaidbynriew, in the Plain Belt district, for around 800 people have forcibly come and they have squatted on a plot of land, which is so near the this one here. There's an ancestral archaeological site. So we wanted to make the Home Minister understand, but he did not give us the chance. What I wanted to say was this one. See, we have the 6th schedule, we have the land transfer act, we have so many hosts of other other laws and rules, but these rules are not the panacea. This is not going to solve all our problems. So we wanted something like the ILP, so that this mechanism can regulate the illegal influx. So that's why we wanted ILP. We wanted to discuss with him, but he did not discuss with us.